In this video, I will show you how to see who saved your Instagram post. Firstly, you need to get up right here into your profile section. Then you need to tap on the three dots on your right upper side and go settings. Right after that, you need to go down and go for account. And then you need to scroll right down, and here, as you can see, you have switch account type. And if you have these two sides, it means that you have that business account. If you don't have that business account, you need to get it up right now. Then you need to get back and take a look on that post site, for example this one. And now if you have that business account, you're gonna have view inside section, and you're gonna simply click on it, and here it will says this is unavailable because it has an error. But if you have on another side, for example this one, go view insights, and here guys you can see on this button how many sites have saved your Instagram post, but you cannot see who actually saved your Instagram post.